So next up we have elevated blood pressure. It's okay, but just keep an eye on it. All right, so again, looking at the readings, this will be a systolic between 120 to 129 and a diastolic of less than 80. So what do these numbers mean? Well, you're not quite in the danger zone as of yet if your home blood pressure readings are averaging in this region that I've just given, but you should definitely keep an eye on it with home BP monitoring. Basically, your blood vessels are starting to feel a bit more pressure than they should. So in terms of what you should do, you should double down on lifestyle changes, go back on salt, get more physical activity in, limit alcohol, avoid smoking, reduce your stress. There's loads more, by the way, and we go through all of this in a lot more detail on our video on the channel on how to naturally lower your blood pressure. So definitely give that a watch if this applies to you. Now, one really helpful tip when you're taking your blood pressure at home, because quite often I notice a lot of patients use a blood pressure cuff that's either too small for them or too big. Now remember, if your cuff is too small for you, it's potentially going to overestimate your blood pressure, and if it's too big for you, it's going to underestimate your blood pressure. So cuff size is critical. Now, one really useful feature that we have on our A&D Medical blood pressure monitors, on quite a few of them actually, this one in my hand is the Precision Check Pro device, one of our newer devices, is we have something called advanced cuff detection. If the cuff isn't fitting on your arm properly, you'll see this symbol that's going to come on screen basically, and it's telling you that something up with this fit, so double check it. Now, if you are worried about cuff sizes and if you're wearing your cuff right, if the placement is right, all of this, we have a video specifically on it where we go through it in loads of detail. So if you also want to become a pro at cuff sizes and measuring and all that sort of stuff, go and watch that video on the channel because many people find it helpful.